I got a package from, are we focused or are we gonna have to fight today? Oh, I got swatches. I got some swatches coming up for you guys for Latina owned lipsticks or Latina owned brands of lipsticks. So I have Reina Rebelde lipstick swatches coming up, and then I have another brand that I will be highlighting on my channel. It's just like 4 of the lipsticks, but they're so pigmented. But anyway, neither here nor there. So yeah, Elevate Styles sent me a wig. Chat. Wait, is there like a seal? Do I need to use my knife? I think you guys just like seeing me use my knife. Oh. Yeah, I think you guys like seeing me use my knife. So here you go, you know, whatever. I think it's a Latina thing. Oh yeah. That does feel good though. Just ripping into shit. Like his guts. No. Put her away. Okay. Alright, so I have a wig here. I do not know what wig they sent me. They sent me an email with, hey, we sent you this wig in this color, and I'm just like, I'm not even gonna bother looking her up. I don't know what she looks like. I don't know what to do, boo. But I mean, I guess that's the fun of it. They'll pretty much send me wigs. I won't even bother looking them up. I'll just get them in the mail and then I'll review them for you guys. So wow. This is the Wig Valencia unit. Wow. So that's her right there. She's a long one. Oh, I like that orange though. Damn, why didn't I get that orange one? Even that blondish one is cute. Ooh, this wig is light though. The package is light. This one comes in an extreme amount of colors, and of course the natural colors. I got the color TTP1B99JBG red. Wow. She's long. She is like 26 inches in length, it looks like. I don't know how long she is. You know what's one thing I wish companies would do is tell you the length of the wig. I think that would be more beneficial to those that are looking for a specific length. Like, I'm like, are we focused? Yeah, I would think that would be so beneficial to have the length of the wig. Some of them, I guess, have, ooh, this is very light. This is very Latina Shaka Khan looking red. It's a very pretty red. No scent. How long it is on that girl. And I'm showing all my fat today. I wasn't prepared. So she's very curly waves. Very, very wavy. Very layered. It's like a mountain of hair, though. She's very fine on the bottoms from it being layered. She's very lightweight. I don't know how I feel about it. I love the color. It's got good rootage. It's got a really, really beautiful red. I'm sure in the sunlight it'll look brighter because the highlights has some darker red highlights. Dark red highlights and bright red highlights. That's where the red comes in. It has no lace to cut. And it has the parting space right here. Is she supposed to be a middle part? Because honey boo boo, I do not. Exactly, Fred. Exactly. So I don't do middle parts. We will try her though. So this is probably going to take me 3 hours to put on. But anyway, the cap construction is 2 combs very close to the center of the head. The parting space looks pretty decent. You could see my hand. I'm sure you could work with it. Maybe, no, I don't recommend plucking it too much. And then it has a comb in the back and the straps, traditional straps, and then it has a mesh cap, which I find those very, very comfortable. So let's do this. Oh frick, I have lip gloss on. I didn't freaking plan for this, guys. I didn't do it. Okay. So right off the back, oh wow, right right off the back, it's already in my mouth. That's what she said. Right off the back, the cap feels very very loose, very loose. But I also don't have my hair up how I should. I mean, I know you guys have been requesting a 99J unit, and here you go. I love the color. I love red. Let me zoom out a nope, we're not doing that. Okay, so here's the wig. She's layered. I look like the frizzy Latina mermaid. I will show you guys all the hair in the front. Wow, I gotta stand up for this shit. Okay, well, boobage. 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 Sorry. So this is, I just don't have a better setup for this. For not these long wigs. There is some shedding. I'm getting some shedding. Boobage. Let me stop. So this is her in the front. It comes down to my fluffy belly. Wow, that was just too much. Wow, it is a long freaking unit. I will show you guys my ass, but I don't feel comfortable right now. But whatever. It is like, woo, butt cheeks. My husband probably is hearing all of this, by the way, through the wall. The length is actually really dope if you're looking for a long, curly-ish wig. Sorry, I'm very uncomfortable with this wig. The style is cute. I can't do middle parts. So. Deal. This is a lot. Jesus. I do like that there's, I don't know if you guys can see some baby hairs, like just the way that it's waved. It kind of, you can kind of press them so it looks more natural. She's cute. She really is cute. It's not my style. So with her, I probably would cut her like that just to get like a really cute, frizzy little, you know, yeah, I would probably cut her. Like this is a wig that you can definitely, like if you're looking for like a long wig so you can more likely customize it yourself, this is something I totally would recommend. Get a longer unit as long as you like the wave pattern or the straightness, whatever, and the color. I totally recommend getting a longer wig and then cutting it to your liking. I'm just shifting her around to see. That's in my mouth. Again, this cap is kind of moving around on me, so I can't really like secure her. You see that? It's just moving back. So this is one unit that you need to secure. I like both sides, both parts. I do not really care for the middle part like so. But the parting space on it I think is really nice. The CoverGirl Vitalist, because it's the only powder I have right now that I'm willing to even look for, because it's hot as balls right now and I really don't feel like doing all this witchery. Oh, that looks really good. Once you part it. Once you put powder on it, I think it looks really, really good. So, of course, I switched it. I do love this part right here because I feel that's what makes the unit look more natural, for it not having lace to cut, so you can kind of shape it how you want to. I'm very impressed with how light this wig is. Like, it is airy. Like, you feel like nothing. Of course, you feel the hair, but you don't feel anything on your head. The cap is very, very light and comfortable. Again, I wish I would have kind of like done like I normally do with my caps, but because I'm literally just cooking and I'm just getting home from work, I just wanted to try this bad boy on for you guys and shock myself and you guys. This one's a very full wig. The more you touch it, the fuller it's gonna get. I'm gonna sneeze, hold on. If this is a wig that you guys, if this is the kind of hair that maybe you have this kind of hair but you want it lengthier, I definitely do recommend this. And again, I think I would probably cut her. Like, I probably would even leave her like up to my boobs and just cut out these ends here and just get the fullness and maybe layer her a little bit more. But overall, I love the color. The color is beautiful. The hair is soft. It does feel natural. It does feel like it's like a yucky, light yucky texture. It's kind of like curly hair, feels a little coarse, but not too coarse. There is some shedding with this unit. It could be the color. It could just be because it's got a lot of hair. I'm gonna assume that this hair is going to knot up like crazy. Guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Come on now, support your girl. We're trying to get 30K this year, okay? Anyway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, by the way, all the links are down below. Check them out. Bye.